We have a new name now. It's Harvest Assembly of God in Medicine. So, Maniacho Christmas Yato. Yes, sisi amata kwa kalame ya lela ayatu ya nispo impayo na awi maidia yaki ya maino ina kwa kalame. So, the life should be in on it too. God bless.